This channel supports Extra Life in its efforts to raise money for the Children's Miracle Network. For more information about how to donate and join in their efforts, go to the link displayed here. Extra Life. Play games, heal kids.
What up, everybody? This is your boy Black Magus, and I know everything's messy in the back, and I still got my jacket on. I just got in the house, but I wanted to do this quick unboxing for you guys because I just got a product that I want to review for you for my cell phone. I currently have I don't know where I put my Galaxy 8 S8, and I've been without a car charger for a while because I had the Galaxy 7, and I just for some reason never replaced my Galaxy 7 car charger with Galaxy 8. If you don't know, Galaxy 8 has a different charging port than the Galaxy 7 and previous Galaxy phones, which all use the regular micro USB. Now there's some new type of micro USB that the Galaxy 8 uses, and so I just basically been carrying my charger that came with my phone to work, charging it at work if I needed to, and then of course bringing that back home, plugging it in to get another charge. But now I can charge on the go again. And also I decided to get myself something else to go along with my phone, which it's the newest version from what I researched, so I should be able to use it if I do so choose to get a Galaxy 8 or another phone that uses a particular type of it's called QI certified batteries, I believe is what it's called, but I'll go over that in the review. But basically, this is what I got for you guys. Sorry, I'm not doing a quote unquote proper unboxing, simply because I kind of had to open the package that it came in from Amazon. By the way, doesn't this box look kind of beat the shit? Amazon, what the fuck, yo? But something else I had to get for my car that I had to open immediately and put in. So this right here, let's go ahead and open it up. It comes with the wireless charging pad, something that I've always wanted. I've always wanted to try the wireless charging to see how that works. It also comes with the regular charging cable plus the car port for it. So you pretty much get a 3-in-1 type of deal with this right here. As I show it to you physically. Alright, so again, oops, don't want to drop the charging pad because that's the most important part of it to me. Alright, so of course you get the regular cable, regular plug, get an extra cable that you could use. That I believe one is for the standard. Yeah, it looks like they give you one standard micro USB cable, and then the USB cable that you need to utilize for a Galaxy 8. So it covers all Galaxy phones that are out right now that can work with this. And of course you get the plug for the wall socket. Then you get this. This is the car charger. It's pretty cool because it has two ports, and they're fast charging ports. One of the benefits of the new format, I guess, that Samsung's been using with their batteries is that they have a fast charging cable system, and that goes with the car as well. So pretty cool that you can do that also in your car. And then of course this right here, charging pad, which good lord, the glare is like really killing the visuals. I probably should take it out of the package just to show it off. It's actually pretty, damn, it's gonna glare even more with this plastic, but it's actually pretty compact. I don't know what I was expecting. I guess I was expecting something bigger, but it's actually pretty small. When you look at it in comparison to your phone, it definitely is going to look pretty small. But I'm curious to know just how good this is. So, expecting a review to come pretty soon for this. I'm getting back into my old habits of reviewing things that you guys might be interested in. So, As always, feel free to hit me up. Let me know what you think, and I'll holler at you later. Time for me to get out this jacket, get out my work clothes, get something to eat. I'll holler at you later. This your boy Black Makers, and I'm out, y'all. Deuces.